Hello, now I will explain how to create a price list for a table in Vatrix POS system. For that, go to admin, then select setting, enable the price list option and choose table here. Then go to sales price list. Give a price list code. For example, I will give as PL2 and give price list a name. For example, I will give it as Talabat Price List. Then click on create button. Now the price list is created. Click on the Talabat price list and add the item. You can add item using item code or barcode. Also, you can bulk import the item by going to file and selecting bulk item code from Excel or bulk barcode from Excel. Now I will add items. For example, I will add as mango milkshake here. Then click on add item. Enter the selling price. For example, 15. I will add another item, strawberry milkshake. Click on add item and enter the selling price. After adding the required item, click on save. Now the price list is saved. Next, link the price list to the table. For that, click on the link button and enter the table name. For example, I am linking this to Talabat. Then click on add and click on save. Now the price list is successfully linked to the table. If you go to KOT and click on Talabat table, the item with the updated price list is reflected here successfully. This is how you create a price list for a table in Vatrix POS system. Thank you.